In this example, we're going to use the rules of exponents. So we're going to start by simplifying the inside of the parentheses. So we're going to rewrite it as 27 divided by -9 times 8 to the -3rd power divided by 8 to the -6 times b to the 6th power divided by b to the -4 times c squared divided by c. All that raised to the -2 power. Now we have 27 divided by -9 is -3. We're going to use the quotient rule. We keep the base a and we're going to subtract the exponents. We keep the base b and we're going to subtract the exponents. And we keep the base c and we're going to subtract the exponents. And all that is still raised to the -2 power. Now we simplify. We obtain the -3a to the -3 plus 6, b 6 plus 4, and c to the power of 1, all that to the -2 power. So simplify a little bit more and we have -3, a to the 3rd power, b to the 10, and c to the -2. Now when we have a power, the power is going to be affecting all the bases that we have inside the parentheses. So the first one is -3 raised to the -2 power. Then we have a cubic raised to the -2 power. Then we have b10 raised to the -2. And then we have c to the -2 power. Now because we have a -2 power, we have to change it into a positive. So that means that we have to move it on the bottom. So we have 1 times -3 to the 2nd power. And then we have a power raised to another power. So we have to multiply the exponents. So it's going to be -6, b to the -20, and c to the -2. Now -3 to the 2nd power is 9. We still have a to the -6, b to the -20, and c to the -2. Now all of them have a negative power, so that means that we're going to bring them to the denominator and we're going to change the sign to a positive. It's going to be +6, b to the +20, and c to the power of 2.